Hello gamers! Today I'll show you how to replace earpads for these popular SteelSeries Siberia version 2 gaming headphones. So many hours went into Counter-Strike with these headphones that even earpads started to split into parts. Well, it's not really funny, especially when you run to the shop to buy energy drinks and seller laughs at you because you have black rubbish on your face. Write down in the comments how many of you had this problem with your headphones. Anyways, to remove earpads you must push your finger behind it. I suggest middle one. Carefully push your finger behind the earpad and lightly tear it out. But some Siberia version 2 headphones need something more than your middle finger. Earpads can be strongly glued. Also, they are sometimes being held by small plastic fasteners. Take any instrument, for example knife, and try to somehow remove earpad from housing. If you can't get it off at one place, try another till you succeed. And here are the plastic fasteners that hold the earpads. Before this DIY, you should buy at Amazon or eBay or somewhere else new reserve earpads. Just write down in search bar Siberia version 2 earpads and choose your deal. You can also apply a velour type earpad in place of the skin imitation. For more details about them, you can watch my other video by clicking the I button on upper right corner. When earpads are received, tear off the glue protective paper, like in these photos. Without pressing whole earpad against housing to avoid it sticking, arrange one earpad's edge by putting it under the plastic fasteners. Then slowly put on the whole earpad by squeezing earpad's edge behind plastic fasteners with your nails. It's not obligatory to squeeze them behind every fastener, but it looks better and it would hold more securely. So let's bear this pain and shove it behind every fastener. Then do the same to the other earpad. If you're having problems or have some tips and tricks, then freely write it down in the comments. If everything goes well, then the results should look like this. Made them look like new ones for only $10. Here are my old earpads. They totally look disgusting. Thanks for watching. Make sure you reload your magazine by clicking the like button, subscribe for free grenades, and achieve your victory with these headphones. Ciao.